In this video, we'll discuss multi-user on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Note, multi-user is only available on delivery units that have been registered to an A-dec Plus account. Available users can be added and removed by the clinic's admin. On a CP5i, begin by pressing the user button. On a CP5, press the Options menu button. Then select Multi-User. Use the up and down arrows, then press Select to choose your desired profile. A check mark will appear to the right of the name indicating the profile has been selected. To star a profile, select the profile and press the star button. Starred profiles will appear at the top of the list the next time the list opened. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.